Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change audio language on Netflix application on an Android device. Maybe some of you still don't know how to change the audio language on Netflix application. So you can follow the steps below. Okay, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. And then, select your profile. After that, here you can select any movie you want to play. Okay, and then in this section, you can select audio and subtitle menu. Okay, after that, here you can select any language you want to apply to the movie. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change audio language on Netflix application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.